are you doing? I'm so excited about today's video. I've managed to connect my camera to my PC, my laptop, so I'm able to see myself while filming. Anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to guide you on how to apply your foundation. I remember when I first bought my foundation, I was just doing my own things, to be honest. So I've had to learn over time on how to do it. So this video, if you just bought your foundation, or you're thinking about getting your foundation and starting this makeup journey, this video is for you. I'm going to talk about how to blend, how to make sure that you achieve the best with your foundation. The foundation I'm using is Zaron Healthy Glow Foundation Pure Perfect. Yes, that one, Pure Perfect. And it has a pretty nice, it has a nice coverage that works for me. So that's another thing that you need to make sure that you find out before you buy a foundation. Find out which foundation works best for your skin and your complexion. Basically, find out if your foundation matches your skin complexion. So, what do you need? There are people who use a beauty blender. I have one here. It's been used a lot. Yeah, that one. And some of us use this, a brush. So it's up to you to, try them out and see which one works best or which one is easier for you to use. So let's get into the video. You just spread it out. This is not difficult. Just make sure that you can either use the palm, the back of your, how do you call this, hand here. You can either put it here, then spread it out, or you can do it how I'm doing it now. The whole point is to make sure that you've spread it out nicely, like you've put it everywhere. And be careful not to put too much, because you don't want it to be a lot on your face. After you've done that, you take your brush, either your brush or your beauty blender. Like I said, whichever works best for you, or whichever makes you feel like, yeah, this one I can work with it. So then you go like this. You just spread it in. Do you spread it in or spread it out? Yeah. You're applying it. Please make sure you take your time so that you don't get patches, or you don't leave places or spots out. It's a pretty fast way of doing it, and it's the only way actually. So this is just to give you confidence that you can also do your own makeup and achieve the best. Before I continue, I don't know if you can see here, is it the bridge? Okay, here you can see it's a bit shiny here. That means I need to add more. Perfect. Yeah. It's not hard, guys. Like, I know, but it can be scary when you're buying, or you haven't started buying a makeup, you're contemplating whether you should or not. Trust me, go for it. And now that we are all home, it's easy. You can watch tutorials and get to learn how to do it. You spread it out completely. You see, here you can see it's different from this side and this side. So that means I have to do this. Then go with your brush or beauty blender. Apply it everywhere. on your face, that is. See? Oh, I did my eyebrows off camera. Let me know if you like to see or to learn how to do your eyebrows. It's quick actually, you just need to keep on practicing and make sure you put in effort. Of course, nothing comes easy, really. Your eyes here, sometimes you can, if you forget this part, you'll end up looking like you have patches on your face, on your eyes. So you have to blend it in nicely. The corner of your eyes, beneath here, your eye bags. I like this foundation because you get to use, you don't use a lot, you use kidogo, just spread it out and you get to achieve the best. From my end, I can see there's a spot here, here, and here. Looks like I haven't done it properly. That's why I'm adding more this area, yes. I mean, this coverage, my previous video I talked about it. I mean, it's amazing. It works best for my skin. That's another thing that you need to do before thinking of getting a foundation or makeup. Make sure that it blends well with your skin, the rest of your skin, the rest of your body, I mean. There's still black spots this side. And I want to conceal all of them so that I can achieve the flawless, I can have the flawless look, a flawless look rather. Yeah, that's it. And we are almost done. Just like that. I'm taking my time to blend it in so that you get to follow the steps. For those who are beginners, it's much needed, you know. But generally, if I was to do my makeup, I will take less than 10 minutes to actually finish most of the things that I need to apply on my face. You see? And this foundation, for me, I'm telling you guys, like, just try it out. It's not, this video is not sponsored, just to, you know, help you get to do this at home. And I know if I was able to learn, you can also get to learn and perfect it and achieve this. I tend to have my neck is dark, but this foundation has been able to, it blends well with my complexion, so it's not very visible. It's not very visible. But yeah, that's it, and you're done. If you happen to get a lighter foundation than your face, you'll have to do a lot of blending and take it down here. But I wouldn't really recommend this, because if you take it down, it will show. So just make sure that the foundation matches the rest of your body. That way it's easier. It's just doing what I've done and you're done. Look at the transformation. I haven't done much. Okay, this. You get to do your eyebrows, foundation, and just, you can see how transformed you get. There's no spots. Your eyes, remember, here, so that when if you're putting a wig or you're wearing a wig, doesn't show the line. We're done. Yeah, so for it to be a complete look, I want to put my mascara. I have them somewhere here. Yes, my mascara. For the mascara, I use this one. Okay, the top, I don't know where it went. This one. This is just makeup for beginners, and it's simple. You'll not regret, trust me. Your first time buying makeup, you definitely need this. Start off with the things that I've used. Above all, get the right shade of foundation that matches the rest of your body. It does magic, this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna quickly do the other eye. For the eyelash, for the mascara, I've forgotten what it's called. The mascara, we have so many brands. This one, you just pick whatever you can afford, or whichever you can afford, or the brand that you want to. You know, it's all about preference. This one doesn't really have much to elongate your eyes are teary, yeah, because of the lights. Then what I do at the bottom, I do this. Ooh. Don't be in a hurry while you're doing this. Just doesn't have to take kidogo time to make sure that you achieve the best. There we go. This is the mascara by Maybelline, waterproof. Okay. So next step is we're gonna do powder. Before we do powder, I like to highlight my, and I use, there's a powder I use, these are not a powder, I use this is what I'm using to just give it an extra glow. Do it here. You can see it, yeah. Then put it here. I'll blend it later or brush it out. Cheekbones. You can see them, yeah. I have this brush to, it's kind of spreading it out nicely so that it goes all the way. That gives a shimmer, makes them pop. You see that? Then I go to my lipstick. I love red, so I'm gonna apply this to just make you see, for you to see the final look. Ooh. Done. To complete the look, lipstick, I use this. I'd like to. I have to make sure that it doesn't go in your teeth. That's it. We are done. These are the things that I used. Foundation, number 1, you need, of your choice, or the one that blends well with the rest of your body. This highlighter, beauty blender, or a brush, whichever works for you best. Lipstick, eyeliner. You see how easy it is? And you're done. Thank you for watching. Ooh, today I didn't want to put the hair. I just wanted to see without the hair how it will look. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you like me to do, if there's a specific thing that you like me to take you through it. Just leave it on the comment below. Thank you very much, and see you next time.